Kannada actor Puneeth Rajkumar's death from cardiac arrest after an intense 2-hour-long workout session came as a huge shock to his fans. In his mid-40s, Puneeth worked out regularly and was seemingly fit. According to his doctor, he did not have any heart ailment either, so it's not clear what caused the cardiac arrest. This incident, however, has raised concerns over heart diseases and heart attack risk among those in their late 30s and 40s and work out regularly. Heart ailments are usually linked to inactivity, fat, and unhealthy lifestyle, and not people who work out regularly. So, what is causing cardiac arrest in middle-aged people who exercise regularly? To understand this, let's first talk about cardiac arrest and what causes it. Cardiac arrests are dangerous as they are caused due to the presence of blockages in a person's arteries for a long time. A person who looks healthy could be living with some blockage in his arteries while being completely unaware of it. This blockage in the arteries could lead to cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest is an electrical malfunction that disrupts a person's heart's rhythm. A cardiac arrest disrupts the heart's pumping action and stops blood flow which carries oxygen from reaching the brain, lungs, and other organs. When a heart attack occurs, the heart does not stop pumping blood unless the attack leads to a cardiac arrest. As per cardiologists, 8 out of 10 times a cardiac arrest occurs due to blockages in the arteries. According to the Indian Heart Association, about 50% of all heart attacks in Indian men occur under the age of 50 and 25% of all heart attacks occur in Indian men under the age of 40. The biggest problem with heart-related ailments is that even when a person has 70% and more blockage in their arteries, they do not show any symptoms. People in their late 30s or mid 40s who exercise regularly and have no symptoms like breathlessness or fatigue could also have a heart condition or serious blockages in their arteries. Extreme exercise could be as risky for a heart ailment as inactivity and high cholesterol. Studies have shown that people who work out intensely are more likely to develop coronary artery calcification by middle age. Coronary artery calcification is a buildup of calcium within the walls of the arteries and is a predictor of a heart disease. Coronary artery calcification is detected through a CT scan. The US Department of Health and Human Services recommends that adults do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity activity per week. Researchers found out that people who exercised 3 times the recommended amount or the equivalent of 450 minutes a week of moderate activity had a 27% higher risk of developing calcium buildup in arteries compared to those who exercised the least. This means that if you are someone who exercises at least 7 to 8 hours a week, then you risk artery blockage. High levels of exercise over time may cause stress on arteries, leading to a calcium buildup that blocks them. As per medical experts, this calcium buildup could also be of the more stable kind and not cause a heart attack. If you are an individual who exercises for weight loss or to maintain good health, then stick to moderate exercises. In general, 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise 5 days a week is good for you. Moderate intensity exercises include jogging, cycling, and swimming. There is high risk of acute cardiac problems among people who often overexert themselves by doing high intensity exercises for many hours in a day. This risk increases when a person in his 30s or 40s does long hours of high intensity exercise, as his heart may not be able to cope with the stress exerted on it. So, modify your exercise regime as you age to reap the benefits of workouts without putting yourself at risk. It's okay to not look like Vin Diesel at 45 as long as you're fit, healthy, and alive. Tune into ShowFit for more on health and exercise do's and don'ts.